Oh my god. We're going up the stairs. Oh my god. We snuck out of drama. Up the stairs. Up the stairs. We're at the top of the stairs. And I am barefoot. Well, I have socks on, but Marina has wearing shoes. I shouldn't be walking fast. Down the hall we go. My fault. So funny. Oh. He was the best. Mr. Budo. There's the doors we go. There we go. What is that? There's Marina's locker. Open it. Open it. I'm trying. That's my locker. That's my locker. Here it is. I don't need anything. Marina. So excited to switch ceremonies. I know. It's gonna be such a good time. This is so funny.
Why are you doing this?
I think it's funny. Ready? Ready? I think when you hold it and watch your feet, it's hilarious. Oh, the floor is freezing. Every day we'd be walking with Marina's stocking. Ow! Down the stairs we go.
Maybe I'll like slide down.
Do it, Marina. Wait. Let me get at the bottom. Go.
Oh, dear God.
She made it. That trip's over. Good times. It's over. Alright. Say your goodbyes, Marina.
Bye.